If you follow me on Instagram, you'd know that I just recently purchased a Glock 43 and I bought it for $375. These are roughly around $500 and it's kind of iced out already, so it was a pretty good deal for me. I took it to the range for the first time.
Girl, too ready.
For real. As you can see, all of my shots were low and left, so I think I'm gonna have to adjust the sights, and if it's not the sights, then I'm gonna have to adjust my trigger pull. I have really good grouping though. The gun is perfect, to be honest. He put Trijicon sights on here. I think that's how you pronounce the name. They glow in the dark. And he also added a tie-line grip. I want to add an O-light. And I need to figure out how to put this thing on. This is the mag extension base. And I got it from Amazon for about $12. I like for the grip area to be a little longer in length. So that was like the first thing that I ordered when I learned that I was buying this gun. So that's it for this video. Y'all stay tuned for my next one because it's gonna be a good one. Peace out.